back to my channel. In today's video, I have a super exciting video. I'm finally going to be reviewing my new Hermes lipstick. So if you guys would like to see all about this product, is it worth it, my thoughts and opinions, please keep watching. Okay, you guys, now I am so excited to make this video. I have had these lipsticks for quite a while and I have waited because my hair had to be washed, honey. I had to be ready. Everything had to be working in accordance to the will of God for this video. It was that serious. I am so excited to make this video because I recently acquired two Hermes lipsticks for Christmas. Now they are in the same color because my two amazing friends clearly think alike and have great taste. And I'm so just happy to have this little piece of luxury. This is my first lipstick that is this fabulous and this luxurious. Now I have other luxury makeup in my collection, but nothing that came in its own box and with its own dust bag. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys all the 411 on this Hermes lipstick. Is it worth it? Should you buy it? And my thoughts and opinions. So let's get started. Okay, so like I said, I received two of the same lipstick for Christmas. The shade I received is Hermes Rouge H in 85 matte. Now matte lipsticks are my absolute favorite, I think, because I'm always oily. Matte lipsticks just look nice on me. They glide on effortlessly usually, and they have intense lasting power, and also their opacity I just adore. I will say though that I'm also so excited to have these two lipsticks because I have limits as far as what I spend on beauty, luxury, food, anything, and the price tag for this lipstick kind of just eliminated it for me. So this lipstick retails for $67. I kind of don't really like to spend more than $30 on a lipstick, but occasionally I will make exceptions. So I knew that Hermes lipstick was something that I would probably never purchase for myself. And so I'm just so happy that two of my amazing friends decided to purchase each of these lipsticks for me. That was just so special. So thank you to each of you. I just appreciate that so much. So let's get into what this lipstick is all about. And we are gonna go to the Hermes website, honey. So this is the Rouge Hermes lipstick in Rouge H. Created in 1925 for leather, Rouge H is an emblematic color of the House of Hermes. A very elegant and dark red with a hint of brown verging on burgundy. Its texture, as fine as it is rich, delivers vibrant, long-lasting color. Rouge Hermes lipstick is refillable. Refills are sold separately, made in Italy. It lists all the ingredients. I'm just glancing over it. I don't see any parabens. I like to have all of my makeup, skincare, everything be paraben free. And let me see how much you get in the container. So you actually get 3.5 grams of product, and I want to say that's about standard for what you get with your average makeup brands. So that's a little bit about the product. You guys can see this is a very expensive lipstick. I don't even spend $67 on foundation. So I was really excited to try this product. I first want to talk about the packaging. I'm gonna go with the one that I have not yet opened and used, because when you purchase a luxury item such as this or anything from Hermes, you expect the packaging to be extravagant, and this is nothing less. So when you first open it, you have a white box, and just in this little slot on the front, you can see the Hermes orange. So you open this up, you have your Hermes orange box. And that's not all. It's a slide box, so you slide it out, and you have a dust bag. Yes. I mean, it might not be called a dust bag, but it's, to me, because I like luxury bags, this is a dust bag for your lipstick, which I have never seen that before. So this already in itself is super festive and super fabulous. And without even trying the product, I think you really are getting your money's worth, even though you are spending a pretty penny. So you pop this lipstick out of its canvas dust bag, darling, and you have your beautiful tube of lipstick. Now, the tubes are different. So this one has the white shiny finish at the top. In the middle, you have a matte black, and at the bottom, you have a metallic gold. Beautiful. I love the color combination. Really classically chic and just nice. It feels substantial. It's very weighted, but it's not too heavy. It doesn't feel lightweight and cheap. You really are getting nice quality for what you're paying for. And my favorite part of this lipstick is the top. It actually has an Hermes crest on it. Now you guys aren't going to be able to see it right now, but I will insert a photo of it. Just beautiful. I mean, just a work of art. And you know, people can say what they want about spending upwards of $67 on a lipstick, but to me, luxury, you're paying for the product, you're paying for the name, but you're also paying for the experience. Much like when you go into your higher end or luxury retailers, if they're giving you champagne or little petit fours, that is the experience I get when I hold this lipstick. Now, some people are gonna say, well, it's not worth it. It's $67. I can go to the mall and get a lipstick anywhere from $5 to $20, which I totally understand. But when you're buying an Hermes lipstick, you're buying into everything. You're buying into the packaging and all the fanfare. Okay, so now let's get into the actual lipstick. I'm gonna show you guys what my first impression was like when I tried this lipstick on. I was overwhelmed. This lipstick went on, it glided on so sumptuously and so effortlessly. It just felt amazing going on my lips. But at that first moment that I tried it on, that's when I thought, whoa, maybe this lipstick isn't a matte, very flat. I will insert a picture of the actual stick of lipstick. It has Hermes embossed on the front. It is just, it's gorgeous. And just with my first application, it feels like it might move on my lips. It also feels like this is not a lipstick I can take with me in my bag because it might melt. Now, matte lipsticks are less likely to melt in your bag, specifically if you live in a hotter climate like myself, just because there's less oils in it, it's less emollient, so there isn't much oil to come out of it naturally. This feels like it will melt in my bag. So if I do wear this out, I will not be bringing this lipstick with me, because if my $67 lipstick melts in my bag, specifically in my new Chanel bag, I will be pissed. So this is something that I will definitely wear, leave on my vanity, and just wear a different lipstick if I'm going somewhere and my lipstick comes off. But it is very silky. It glides on effortlessly. It feels very, very comfortable on my lips. I also will say that the formulation was a bit thinner than I imagined. I don't know. I'm afraid to wear this out. I just feel like it might smear and bleed all over my face, but it's a beautiful burgundy color. I love that this is one of the signature quintessential lipstick shades at Hermes, and I'm really liking this lipstick. I do think it's gonna slide all over my face in the summertime, but for now I'm really, really enjoying it. I love a deep, bold red lipstick. As you guys can see, I'm very into red right now, and yeah, I'm just excited about this. Now, I do want to speak about the color Opacity, because this is not a very opaque lipstick to me. I like my lipstick to glide on, and I don't want to see under my lips at all. I did not experience that with this lipstick, but overall, you guys, I love this lipstick. It feels nice on. The color is beautiful. As far as opacity, I would give it about an 8 or a 7. Really, really nice. Do I think this is worth the money? I would say yes. I would purchase this lipstick, but I would purchase it knowing that it's for a special occasion. I'm not going to be wearing this to work. I'm not wearing this every day, because for me, this is a little more special. Now, I do like that these lipsticks are refillable. The lipstick refills are $42, so that is more my speed. So now that changes the game. Do I think this is worth it? It's a lot more worth it, and I can see it a lot more being something that you would wear day to day. $42 is still at the top of my lipstick maximum budget, but it's a bit more palatable than $67. So if you are into luxury beauty, if you're into luxury overall, if you're an Hermes lover, I think you would really like these lipsticks. They do have other formulations. They have an array of beautiful colors. They're sure to be something that will match your style. I'm happy about my purchase. The one thing that I wish wish Hermes would do is make these lipsticks engravable. I think that would just elevate it up a notch. I mean, it's already the perfect gift, but if we could have this engraved, that would be even more special. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review of this lipstick. I'm definitely going to add another to my wish list. Not to say that I'm going to amass a collection, but this lipstick and the whole experience was just very special to me. And I'm so excited to have 2 of these lipsticks in my collection. So now when I finish the first one, I won't feel guilty about needing to repurchase it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for watching. Let me know if there are any shades you guys are interested in, or if you have any of them down below. What do you think? This might be the gateway lipstick into other luxury makeup brands. I don't know. We might have to try out like a Gucci lipstick or something. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely satisfied with my lipsticks and I would highly recommend them to you all. I love you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.